A problem taken for granted by the world, we are on the brink of a huge energy crisis. We are consuming the Earth's non-renewable energy resources at an alarming rate. Non-renewable resources are natural resources that cannot be produced, grown, or generated, or at least not at a rate fast enough to meet our demands. Examples of these are fossil fuels, uranium for nuclear power plants, and metals. In 2010, the world was consuming almost 87 million barrels of oil per day. That equates to over 30 billion barrels that year alone. This means that when we consume all the non-renewable resources this earth has, they will be gone for good. Then the whole world would run into a ton of problems. We will not be able to power the transportation that moves all 7 billion of us, along with the goods we produce and use. This includes food, since we not only use fuels to produce majority of the world's foods, but to also transport them to our local markets. The other major problem we will run into is a massive electricity shortage, since the nuclear power plants that provide two-thirds of our electricity won't work. We won't be able to power our lights, refrigerators, TVs, computers, phones, microwaves, electronics, and everything else that runs on electricity. So how do we solve this problem? We must switch to electricity and invest in new means of generating it. We can harness the power of the ever-burning sun and use solar energy. We can capture the power of water, as done at Hoover Dam, which provides that power to Nevada, Arizona, and California. We can even use the power of the wind to generate electricity using windmills.